Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn about multiplying a proper fraction by a whole number. So let's start. Our learning objective for today is we are multiplying a proper fraction by a whole number, that is one-digit whole number. Our step to success for today are: the first step is we are going to multiply the whole number with the numerator, and our step 2, which is the last step for today, is we simplify our answer if can. Today's S to S is very simple as there are only 2 steps. Example 1, 2 wholes times 3 out of 8. So first, I'm going to show you this in pictorial forms using chocolate bars. And then for the next 2 examples, we're just going to do abstract. So this time, I'm just going to show you how multiplying a fraction with a whole number really looks like. So first thing first, let's just sketch the fraction 3 out of 8. So we have a chocolate bar and we are cutting it into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me just get rid of the extras. And then we need to shade 3 because the numerator is 3. So this is how 3 out of 8 looks like. Now we need to multiply it by 2. So we need 2 of the chocolate bars where the parts are cut into 8 and we are shading 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are shading it with 3 as we need 2 of the 3 out of 8. Now, so if we combine them together, we can combine them together because their denominators are the same. So when we combine them together, we have, how many shaded part do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 shaded part. Let me just draw that over here. It is still cut into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Getting rid of the extras. And then we are shading 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether, we have 6 out of 8 when we combine this to fraction because we need 2 of them. So the shaded part is 3 and 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6, and the denominator stays the same. Now, this is in pictorial form, as in what's going on when you multiply a fraction with a whole number. So let's follow our S to S for today, which are just very simple. So I'm going to rewrite the fractions over here. We have 2 wholes times 3 out of 8. Step 1, multiply the whole number with the numerator. It helps if you can use a different color pen or a pencil to make a shape around these 2 numbers, which are the whole number and the numerator, so that you know which ones to multiply. So multiply the whole number with the numerator. So 2 times 3 gives us 6, and the denominator stays the same. Now, if you can see, they are the same. So this is what happens when you multiply a fraction with a 1-digit whole number. Step 2, simplify if can. Again, ask yourself, can you divide the numerator and the denominator with a same factor? It looks like yes, obviously you can. So you need to divide this by 2 and dividing it by 2. So we have 6 divided by 2 gives us 3, and 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Again, ask yourself, do you need to reduce it further? Do you need to simplify it further? If can, think of a factor where you can divide both the numerator and the denominator with. If not, then your answer will stay as 3 out of 4. Example 2, 2 wholes times 1 out of 5. Our step to success, the first one, multiply the whole number with the numerator. It's just pretty straightforward actually. So we're just multiplying the whole with the numerator. It helps if you can draw a shape around them. So 2 times 1 gives 2, and the denominator stays the same. So that is step 1. Step 2, simplify if can. Ask yourself, can you divide the numerator and the denominator with the same factor? If not, then the answer stays as 2 out of 5. Now it's time for you to try. I'm not going to give you another example because today's lesson is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. So I'm just going to let you try them by yourself. Take a piece of paper with a pen or a pencil or your mini whiteboards with your marker pens and follow the S to S. How do you feel about today's lesson? Is it thumbs up, thumbs down, or so-so? If you are having a hard time, or you find it difficult to understand or grasp today's lesson objective, you can always contact me privately on my WhatsApp. So let's just quickly recap our learning objective and SOS for today. Today we are multiplying a proper fraction by a one-digit whole number. Our SOS for today is, which is pretty much very simple. The first one is we are going to multiply the whole number with the numerator only. Step 2, simplify if you can. Today's exercise is in your home learning pack. It's exercise 1 and 2 only for today. That's on page 76 and 77. Please do not do exercise 3 yet. Reserve that for Saturday's lesson where you need to convert your answer in mixed number. So I really want you to focus on today's lesson only. That's all for today, everyone. Good luck. Bye.